Hola, Jaleesa here, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm out of breath because I've been running around all day, literally all day. So I have bought myself some Ikea side tables. If you're wondering why it looks like I'm looking to this way, I don't really know if it is or not because I'm not that good with this camera situation. But my camera lens is over here, so I don't know how it's gonna look when I'm done. Anyways, I bought two Ikea side tables, which I'm going to use as nightstands because I want a minimalistic, look in my room. And they were very inexpensive. So today we're gonna build them. And I am in my house clothes. Oh, well, that's not my house clothes. That's my uniform. But as you can see, my hair is tied up. That's a whole nother story because I gotta take the. I'm just busy. I'm not even gonna give you all the details of all the things I have to do. But we're gonna get ready to build it. I'm gonna show you the box that it came in, how the assembly should be quite easy because it's not that many pieces to it. If it's not easy, this is IKEA, so I'm gonna slide the box over so you can see what it looks like as I'm unpackaging it. And my eyebrows need to be done. Oh god. And I just realized I had food in my teeth, probably from my dinner that I just ate. That was that chicken. It was good. Probably should have checked my teeth before I started recording. Oh, yeah, great. My battery is dying too. Let's just start. God. Okay. Okay. I'm here. Oh, I'm very, very low. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but yeah, projects. Well, supplies for projects. I'm just gonna slide it over. I'm gonna hope for the best. Maybe I'll get a shoebox and prop you guys up because this is really low. I feel like I'm about to be like chin to the floor to talk to you guys. Ugh. Didn't I tell you guys I'm about to be like chin to floor? This is too much to figure out right now. But anyways, you're just gonna have to see my lips. So, IKEA usually you can use just a regular screwdriver. I'm going to be using this power tool to do it because it should make my job go by faster. And I'm hoping everything is using this screw. Because I'm so lazy, I don't even feel like changing the screw thing. You know. You know. Okay, so this is the one I got. I hope it's not backwards. I think it is. But Asperod, I'm assuming that's what it says. And that's what it looks like. I got it in black. There's some gold detail on it too. So an eternity later, I got the box open. Here is what it looks like. Two shelves. Very, very minimal. Is what I love. Let me show you the base. So it has this glass base. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And that's basically what the top and bottom is gonna look like. So the top is a little bit bigger. But yeah, time to build. Sorry guys, as I am watching this back, I realized that I should have showed you more of the building process. I am so sorry. I will try to make sure I do that for next time. Next time, I will try my best to make sure I show you more of the building process. Forgive me. And just like that, guys, the table, nightstand, it's a side table, but I'm going to be using it as a nightstand. It is complete and I love it. I love the 2 levels. I love the black glass top, and it's much better than what I was using, which was this TV tray. I figured I'd use that until I find what I like rather than buying something I don't like. So here it is, guys, and I am happy with it. I didn't show you guys the full building process. I only showed you a little bit, but I didn't want y'all to see me with all my struggles. So y'all got that little bit and y'all got the final. It is done. How beautiful is that? It goes so well with my room because my room colors are gonna be brown, white, black, golds, you know, metals, creams. I can't wait till I have it done. Remember, guys, this is gonna be a natural, earthy, minimalistic vibe. Yet modern, yet functional. It's just my thing. And I'm very happy with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, I'm just gonna get ready to work on the next one, but I won't record that for you because you don't need to see all that. You don't need to see it twice. So that's one, and I'm gonna work on the second one now. Toodles.